Kitchen tool guy here. It is time to install a cabinet. I'll show you how I install these upper cabinets in this kitchen. Here's this 15-inch by 36-inch wall cabinet that I just assembled from RTAcabinetstore.com. Have these delivered to the house. I really like them so far. They're good cabinets. So I've already installed a ledger board. The cabinet's going to go right here. It's going to sit on this ledger board, which I use a laser level to get this level. It's installed into the studs. And I like to pre-drill my cabinet before I hang it up there. Okay, let me show you what I'm using for screws. I have these GRK cabinet screws, 3 1/8. I need long ones because I'm going through 3/4 or 3/8 inch drywall, through the plaster, through the lath, and then into the studs. So these are the longest ones I could find. They have a nice head to hold on to the wood well. These screws are little trim head screws. These are going from the face frame to face frame, and they will hold the cabinets tight together for a nice completed look. Since I'm doing this by myself, I have to get organized. If you guys can see this, I have 3 clamps. I'm going to clamp the face. Actually, I just need 2 for this one. Clamp the faces together, screw in. Once this is adjusted to the right, so these 2 surfaces are like one surface, then I level it front, back, left, right, all that kind of stuff. Alright, the ledger board is going to hold my cabinet for me. Okay, now we're going to make sure this cabinet is level and square. Yeah, that sounds good. We're going to bring the back out so that this face is all one cabinet. Looking really good. So it's in the right spot. I just need to put shims on the top and bottom to hold it here. And I must put the shim right where that screw hole goes. So the screw is going to go through the shim into the wall. more higher. Once I put the screw in, it compresses and it'll bring it to square. And there we go. That's how to install an upper cabinet.